We run a lot of copper and brass parts here that go into electronics and electrical contacts. This particular part here has some very tight tolerances with some very acute angles that are being formed. This particular part is being done in a progressive die. So pretty much all of these parts here are being stamped out progressively. Obviously not the dime, we put that in there just to show you size, but we've got parts here out of copper, out of brass. This is another part that we run that's made out of Kovar material that's got a very tiny little leg that gets formed up on this part. And we are able to design and build progressive stamping tooling for these small parts, also gauging and being able to inspect these parts on our vision systems. And we run millions of these different types of parts through our stamping department annually. So these parts, a lot of RF shielding dies that we've built over the years, so progressive dies, some very small, tight tolerance parts, high volume runners. So some of these had carbide inserts that were built into the tooling so that we could run higher volumes in between maintenance. And we have pierced holes as small as 20 thousandths in diameter into these types of parts. So as you can see, we do a pretty wide variety of parts here at Wisconsin Metal Parts. This is just a small swatch of some of the more challenging parts that we are able to make. Our quality department, we're able to do BQ FATs, FATs, PPAPs, first articles, whatever is needed in the quality realm, depending on what your needs are. We can also go as far as traceability all the way down to lot numbers, heats on material, and traceability through our subcontractors. Even be able to go to the point where we can go back to our inspection reports and tell you when parts were made, who the operator was, what shift it was run on, and what equipment. So really that all boils down to what you need and what we have to do in order to meet those needs for you.